I am Dr. Rajesh Mishra, currently working as consultant in Advanced Eye Hospital. I am basically managing cataract as well as glaucoma. Nowadays it's a rainy season, and few tips we should know, like how to maintain hygiene as well as how to prevent from conjunctivitis. First of all, close contact should be avoided. If anybody is having already conjunctivitis, definitely we should maintain hygiene. We should wash your hands regularly, as well as if you are feeling that there is some itching, redness or pain is there, definitely you should consult ophthalmologist. We have conjunctivitis that is very common. Nowadays we are having viral conjunctivitis, bacterial conjunctivitis as well as allergic one. So viral conjunctivitis is like it will spread within family or like your friend circle. Usually it is spread by touching or like close contact. So if you are having pain, redness or some kind of watery eye, definitely you should consult ophthalmologist. Virus basically affects your conjunctiva as well as cornea. So this kind of regular checkup is very important because we have to see whether cornea is affected or not. We have to start some antibiotic and anti-inflammatory as well as lubricating drop, as well as the regular follow-up is important. In bacterial conjunctivitis, you will have profuse discharge, yellow discharge will be there over the eyelashes, eye will be red, and in some patient it can affect both eyes also. So in that bacterial conjunctivitis, we have to start antibiotic as well as lubricating drop, and prognosis of this conjunctivitis is very good. If we start treatment in early stage, definitely this bacterial conjunctivitis will be resolved within 5 to 7 days. Viral conjunctivitis will take some time. It can take 1 to 2 weeks to go. Allergic conjunctivitis, sometimes it happens in kids because of dust or climate allergy. There will be severe intense itching of the eyes as well as ropey discharge can be there around the eyes. So in that case we have to start some anti-allergic drops, mild steroid we can start, and regular follow-up is very important. Diabetic retinopathy, nowadays we have seen because of sedentary life habit and lifestyles, we are developing diabetes, and the prevalence of diabetes is very common nowadays. So if anybody is having diabetes for say more than 20 years, or their sugar level is fluctuating or it is always on higher side, they can develop diabetic retinopathy. So they should come for regular eye checkup. There we will dilate and examine peripheral part of the retina as well as central retina and optic nerve. We have to see whether patient is developing early cataract or not, because diabetics are prone to develop early cataract as well as diabetic retinopathy. So these two things we should always check. Lions Club is organizing Sight First campaign, and it is basically focusing upon youth age group. I wish all the best to Lions Club for their initiative.